Hi. Um, and so a quick one. Are you still using VLOOKUP in 2025? Uh, Let me show you one of the limitation of VLOOKUP over XLOOKUP. Because I see many of times we always use VLOOKUP, but you see VLOOKUP has a whole lot of limitation and it's too rigid and too fragile. And so let me quickly, let's jump on my screen and then let me just show you how to let me just show you the limitation of VLOOKUP over XLOOKUP. All right, VLOOKUP, like is not designed for modern data analysis. All right, look at this simple report here. Look at this simple report here. So I'm going to use VLOOKUP here to search for the price of this product ID 1002. So I'm going to search for the price of this product ID with VLOOKUP. All right, equals to VLOOKUP. And so our lookup value, we're looking up this value here, and our table array is the entire data here, and that's A to C. So we just add that A to C. And so our index number, remember I said that we're looking for the price of this product ID. So our price here takes the column index number 3, 1 for product ID, 2 for product name, and 3 for product price. So the column index here is 3. And so I need the exact match, so false for exact match, and then I close it. All right, and then hit enter. So we have the price for this product ID. Now, what's the biggest limitation here? The biggest limitation here is that once I insert a new column, just look at the results we had using VLOOKUP. You see that this result will be broken. If I insert any column here in this data, probably your data is growing and you're inserting new column. So what happens to our lookup formula, VLOOKUP formula? It breaks. All right, just take a look at this and then insert. So what did you see here? This is 0. Why? Because the column index number has changed. The column index number has changed. Remember, the column index number according to formula we had was 3. So now we have this is the third column index number and there's nothing there, so the formula breaks. So that was one of the limitation of VLOOKUP. That's one of the limitation of VLOOKUP. So if I insert a new column into this data, boom, the report breaks. It's too rigid and it's too fragile. So stop wasting time fixing broken formulas. The solution is XLOOKUP. The solution is XLOOKUP. It is more smarter, it is much smarter, and it is easier to write. Very easy to write compared to VLOOKUP. Honestly, if I'm truthful, I prefer XLOOKUP. So I'm going to just return this and then let's look at XLOOKUP and then let's see what happens. Okay, so XLOOKUP equals XLOOKUP, and also what we're looking for, our lookup value is this. This is our lookup value, very simple. And then our lookup array, the array where we're looking this value from, as you can see, is from this column A. Our lookup value is coming from this column A here, so I just say A to A as a lookup array. And then what's our return value? Just like I said, we are looking for the price of that ID 1002. So our return array will be the price column. So that's C to C, and that is it. You don't need to add the column index number, or just this formula will give you, what you're looking for, and that is it. See, very simple, very straightforward compared to VLOOKUP. And then I hit enter. Okay, good. So we have the price for this product ID. So just like we did for VLOOKUP, let's insert a new column. Good. I'm inserting a new column. So what did you see? If you look at VLOOKUP, you see that the result has changed. The, the, the formula is broken, but if you look at XLOOKUP, it's still intact. So if I insert any column anywhere, of uh, our answer remains intact, not broken. And so just look and see. Just look at. You just look at. So it's still intact, 5,000, not broken. And so that is it. XLOOKUP does it better for you. It doesn't break. It adapts and hold your data perfectly. Work smarter, not harder. Level up your skills with XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP, the game changer. So in your organization, instead of wasting your time trying to fix broken formulas, broken VLOOKUP formula, don't waste time doing that. Just use XLOOKUP. Bye.